No matter what size your shop, a flash dryer is a very important piece of screen printing equipment. Curing with a flash dryer takes a little bit of experience to dial in, but can be a great way to cure garments without the need of a conveyor dryer. If this video helps you out, remember to like and subscribe. We're all about helping printers succeed, and your support gets our videos in front of more printers. Curing with a flash isn't perfect, but you can get the job done with practice and the right tools. You'll need something to measure the temperature of your ink as it cures so you can nail down the cure time for your shop. You can use a temp gun or a donut probe to check the temperature of your ink. Check out this video if you want to learn more about using a donut probe versus a laser temp gun. You'll also want to use the proper size flash for the job you're doing. For most jobs, a 16 by 16 or 18 by 18 flash will work. Make sure you're using a large enough flash for the design you intend to print, or there will be parts of the design that won't reach full cure. We're using FN ink for this job, which cures at 260 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, a full cure is only achieved when the entire ink layer reaches cure temperature. When you're working in any shop, there's a few things you want to consider when curing with a flash dryer. First, you want the space you're working in to be warm, between 70 and 80 degrees. Shirts will cool down quickly and be harder to cure. This applies to everything in your shop. If the ink is cold, it won't be as creamy and easy to print with. By keeping your shop warm, you can eliminate potential issues before they happen. Airflow is also an important factor to consider when curing with a flash. If you have a lot of air movement in your shop, say your garage door is open because it's a nice day, or you have a fan blowing in your shop, your cure times with the flash can be a little longer and can be inconsistent because of air movement around the flash unit. Make sure to eliminate as much airflow around your flash to really dial in your cure times. Warm up your platens to get heat on both sides of the ink layer. This helps you get a full cure. Now that we have everything set up, let's go print a shirt so we can show you how to cure it. Usually, a flash unit sits about 2 to 3 inches above the platen. The closer your flash is to the ink, the faster it will cure. Test to see what the best distance is for you so you cure the garment without damaging it. When you're ready to cure the ink, lift the shirt off the platen and lay it on top. This allows the air underneath the print a chance to heat up. We want the heat on both sides of our ink deposit. Now swivel the flash over the shirt. We need the entire ink layer to get to 260 degrees or above. If you use a temp gun, a full cure reading will be upwards of 60 to 120 degrees above your ink's cure temp. Keep the platen under the flash until your ink layer is fully cured. This can be around 30 to 40 seconds. Remember, the more powerful your flash is and the closer your flash is to the shirt, the faster it will cure the ink or potentially scorch your garment. Try to find a balance between a quick, high heat and a slow, less heat. It's probably better to be less hot and wait a few more seconds than scorch your shirts. After your ink has reached cure temperature, let it cool down. Give your print a light pull. If your ink cracks immediately, it's under-cured. Most shirts won't go through a lot of strenuous stretching, so you don't need to pull too hard. Imagine what the person will be doing while wearing the shirt and stretch it accordingly. This is only a quick, semi-accurate test of if you reached cure. For example, a thin layer of ink will crack with a lot less force than a thick layer. Wash testing is really the best way to make sure everything is done correctly. Send your garment through the washer 3 to 5 times and inspect it each time. Keep testing until you're satisfied with the end result. Then make a note of the cure time and other variables so you can be consistent in production. Drop a like and subscribe to our channel if this video helped you. If you have questions or more tips of your own on how to cure with a flash, leave a comment and we will see you in the next video.